What if you could make money online creating promo videos without showing your face, without filming, and without editing experience? In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step system to start an AI promo video business in 2026. Businesses need promo videos to sell products, launch offers, and run ads. With AI, you can create these videos in minutes and sell them as a service. Step 1 is understanding the business model. You create short promotional videos for businesses and get paid per project or monthly. Step 2 is the tools you need. You need a text-to-image tool, an image-to-video tool, and a voiceover tool. Many of these tools have free plans, so beginners can start with zero budget. Step 3 is creating your first AI promo video. Start with a short script that explains the product or offer using ChatGPT. Turn the script into visuals using a text-to-image AI such as Runway ML or Pixverse. Animate the images using an image-to-video tools like Runway ML, Kling AI, OpenArt, or AI 360 Studio, and add voiceover using voiceover tool like 11 Labs. Step 4 is pricing and getting your first clients. Beginners can charge between $50 and $150 per video. You can find clients on freelance platforms like Fiverr.com, Upwork, or Freelancer.com. You can also get client from social media like Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Step 5 is getting clients consistently. Post one strong sample and apply to jobs daily. Consistency beats talent in online business. Step 6 is scaling to steady monthly income. Offer monthly packages and reuse templates. This is how creators earn consistently with AI. Click on the step-by-step beginner-friendly checklist in the description. If you want more step-by-step income ideas, subscribe and watch the full playlist.
Welcome to Amendigital CashFlow, where ideas become income.